Storm Watch 12 meteorologist Josh Colbreth is in the Weather Center tracking this week's weather forecast, which has some heat, some chances of storms.
Yeah, it's really going to be that for the entire week. We're going to be very hot, especially for today and tomorrow. We're going to cool things off a little bit as we head into the rest of the week, and we'll be sitting at more seasonal values by the time we get to the weekend. But thunderstorm chances staying pretty consistently in the forecast over the next 7 days. It's 55 degrees this morning in Grants Pass. We're seeing clear skies there. Most of us are in the 40s and 50s. We are seeing some 60s in Siskiyou County this morning. Now, a little bit later today, it's going to get very hot. That is going to fuel some shower and thunderstorm chances, mainly for our inland areas and mainly along and east of the Cascades and down into Siskiyou County. So that would be at the peak of daytime heating, 4, 5, 6 p.m. The sun goes down. Most of us clear out, although we could see a few lingering showers in the Mount Shasta City area. And then as we head into Tuesday, it's really going to be the same thing, except coverage is looking a little bit more expansive, especially for Lake County. So afternoon, evening, shower and thunderstorm chances, mainly for inland areas. A few could sneak into portions of the coastline, and then the sun goes down and it's looking like things are going to taper off a little bit. Here's your outdoor dining forecast for today for the Rogue Valley. 5 stars for lunchtime. That's before the clouds really start to build in. That's before it starts to get oppressively hot too, because as you head into dinner time, well, it is going to be toasty. We'll have high temperatures about 15 to 20 degrees above average for this time of the year. And also during the dinner time frame, you might have to dodge a few of those showers or thunderstorms. So for today, we'll be in the 80s to the east of the Cascades, 90s for west side valleys. Could cut it close to triple digits in the Klamath River Valley. Then we'll be in the mid 70s along the coast. And that is because of the Chetco effect, those winds coming from onshore to offshore. The air interacts with the Chetco River Valley. It compresses down into the valley. It sinks. And when air sinks, it compresses, it warms. So that's why Brookings can be so much warmer compared to some of its other counterparts along the Curry County coastline. And then for tonight, most of us drying out, could hold on to a shower down in the Mount Shasta City area like you saw in Stormcast, but the rest of us seeing mostly clear skies. It's going to be very mild tonight as most of us will see lows in the 50s. And we'll be maybe even a smidge hotter into Tuesday with similar shower and thunderstorm chances. Then temperatures coming back down to earth into Wednesday and Thursday, but that's when we'll see even more shower and thunderstorm chances. More on that in a second. You can see really the peak of everything is going to be on Tuesday in terms of the heat, and then finding ourselves more seasonal come time for the weekend. And again, that in part is because we'll have some pretty significant shower and thunderstorm chances that will help to cool us off. Of course, me and Matt are going to be watching the lightning aspect of it all very, very closely. Here's that 7-day forecast for the coast. Lots of sunshine today because of the Chetco effect, and then the marine layer starting to come back into Tuesday, and that's when we'll get some of those shower and thunderstorm chances pretty consistently. For Siskiyou County, it's looking pretty consistent over the next 7 days in terms of those thunderstorm chances. And then for the east side, also the same thing. So it's just going to be a whole lot of wash, rinse, and repeat over the next 7 days, although the big change is really just going to be how hot we are right now compared to much cooler temperatures over the weekend. Same thing for the Cascades and Siskiyous. We'll continue to track the melting snow there. And then for the Rogue Valley, small chance for a shower and thunderstorm for today and Tuesday. It's looking like better chances start on Wednesday.